I'm gonna put some Go Fast goodies.
What you putting on there, D?
Nismo CADBAC system.
Nismo? What, you got a dual in, single out?
Yeah.
And so this is Nismo from the dealer, huh?
It's straight from Nissan, yeah.
Straight from Nissan. Nissan catback system. All right, let's stock exhaust, cold start. Anytime. Rev it up. Sounds like a Ford. D, why don't you do the D signature exhaust system here and just put 2 dumps here and have true duals?
I thought about that.
I bet you did. You freaking give your kids carbon monoxide poisoning, kill your family, and that'll solve some.
All I was gonna do is gonna cut the pipes here and start it up without that and see how it sounds.
Nismo. Little chromey tip on there. Alright. Yeah, we went from the dual in, single out to the single in, single out Nismo package. Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounded. No drone, no. It doesn't have the V6 gargle.
Yeah, it's the drone you always have to worry about. That freeway drone.
Yeah.
Ooh, somebody shoot me now. Well, obviously being a Nismo, clean.
Yeah, clean welds.
Clean installation.
I like the
what did
white-
it take you? 30
the white
minutes?
Yeah, 25.
25 minutes to put it in. Not bad. Okay, turn it on. Now it sounds like a loud Ford.